my God! This crazy cow is attacking my house! Oh no! My house has collapsed! Oh no! My basket of eggs is all broken! This is so frustrating! I can't believe this happened! Someone please help me!
Okay, don't worry. I'll help you build a brand new farm that's super beautiful.
Thank you so much!
Today, let's build a truly wonderful farm for the farmer together. Let's get started.
Wow! The house and the farm look so beautiful!
Let's plant some fruit trees to make our farm even more colorful and lovely. What a warm and happy farm we've built together. Our farm building adventure ends here for today, but don't worry, many new surprises are waiting in the next videos. See you soon, friends. Bye-bye.
Oh my God, that tiger is attacking all my cows. Get out of here, tiger! Oh dear, what happened to you, my precious cow? Are you hurt? We need to take them back to the farm right away to treat their wounds.
Oh no, one of the mama cows is hurt too. Let's hurry and bring them back for treatment right away. Let's build a beautiful farm to welcome our lovely cows back home. All done. Now let's check up on our poor little cows and see if they're okay. Let's check this adorable baby cow first. The heartbeat is steady. Great job, little one. Now, let's take a look at your injuries, shall we? Good job, little one. We're almost done. Let's clean the wound and apply some medicine, little one. You're so brave. All done. Now it's time to take your medicine, little one. Be a good cow. Oh my goodness. What an absolutely adorable little calf. All done, little one. Now it's Mommy Cow's turn for her checkup. Oh no, it's a bite wound from the tiger. Let's clean it up and take good care of Mommy Cow together. Great job! The wound is now cleaned and treated. Let's gently wrap it up with a soft bandage for Mommy Cow. She's been so brave. Let's give her some cuddles and let her rest now. Awesome! We finished treating both the baby calf and the mommy cow. Now let's get the farm ready to welcome them home. Let's tidy up the barn, lay down some fresh hay, and prepare their cozy spot. They deserve a warm and happy return.
Hi there! Wishing you a joyful day at Gabby Farm where every moment is full of fun, love, and adorable animals. Come play, explore, and make sweet memories with us.
These two dogs are so smart. They're truly helpful and such a great addition to the farm.
Hello.
Aw, look at that little lamb. It's absolutely adorable. Just like a fluffy cloud with tiny feet. Yay! We finished building our lovely little farm for all the cute farm animals. Do you think it looks beautiful too, friends? See you all in the next videos. Don't forget to follow for more fun farm building adventures with our adorable farm animals at Gabby Animals. Thanks a bunch for watching. Bye-bye. Oh. What on earth happened to my cows? Quick, I have to bring them back to the farm and get them examined. Oh no, my poor cow. We need to hurry back to the farm and treat the two sick cows. Let's build a beautiful cattle farm together, a safe, loving home where our adorable cows can return to rest and the injured ones can heal with care and kindness. Everything is so tiny and adorable, isn't it? And guess what? It's all handmade, friends. Come on, let's quickly give these two cows a health check. Let's check this little calf first. We have to vaccinate the calf to protect it from getting sick. Oh, good job, little one. You're all set now. Oh, good job, little one. You're all set now. All done. Now let's wrap up that wound and you'll be all better. Oh, look! The little calf is so adorable, all better and jumping around again. All done, little one. Now let's check on your mama cow. We have to vaccinate the calf to protect it from getting sick. All done. We've cleaned the wound and now it's time for mama cow to take her medicine. All done. Now let's wrap up that wound and you'll be all better. All done. We've taken care of both mother and baby cow. Time to head back to the farm and feed them some tasty food. Ah, such cute and cuddly animals. How can you not love them? And just like that, our farm is complete. Thank you so much for joining us today on Gabby Animals. We had so much fun caring for our lovely cows together. A happy farm, healthy animals, and kind hearts. Thank you for being part of our little adventure at Gabby Animals. See you next time. Bye-bye.